Okay, so wait a minute here. I have wanted a cordless iron for years, and I finally got one. This is the Panasonic Cordless Steam Iron, and right out of the box, I'm already excited because no cord means no tangling, no dragging, and no fighting the outlet while you're trying to press something neatly. And I'm going to say this right up front. I'm 61. I've owned a lot of irons in my lifetime, and this one immediately feels different. It's really lightweight, compact, and just easier to handle. Now, I love that it comes with a charging base and a portable setup because it keeps everything together and it's easy to store. And yeah, it even has a cord storage, which is really smart. So when you do need a cord for the base, it's not floating around your laundry room like a little snake. Let me show you the controls, because this is where the simple but useful part comes in. You've got heat, steam, and dry settings, so you can adjust depending on what you're pressing, whether it's a delicate top or something sturdier like cotton. Now, one thing I'll point out is the non-stick sole plate on the bottom of this is a big deal because if you do DIY or quilting, it's just really great. It glides smoothly over fabric without that grabbing feeling. And it also makes cleanup easier if you ever run into a little residue during your crafting projects. And the precision tip is perfect for detail work. Think collars, button areas, corners, pleats, the small fabric pieces where a big iron just feels clumsy. Okay, now we're getting the part everybody wants to know, heat up time. This one heats up in about 50 seconds, so it's ready pretty quickly when you set it on the base. So I'm fascinated with the fact that this also does vertical steam, which is so handy for quick touch-ups like steaming a dress and you can do this while it's hanging on the hanger when you don't want to pull out an ironing board. Plus, the anti-drip feature helps reduce dripping. So if you've been wanting the freedom of a cordless iron like I have been, especially for detail work, quilting, quick touch-ups, or even travel, this one is really a smart, well-designed option. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.